OE comparable harness for hassle-free installation. OE comparable mounting provisions ensure drop-in precise fitment. Rigorous and accelerated cycling tests to ensure product service quality and durability. Special coating on the lens surface prevents hazing and fading, ensuring proper illumination and operational safety. Meets or exceeds .SAE standards with particular consideration for photometric and safety compliance. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Widely recognized in the industry as the premium brand for aftermarket replacement lamp, TYC automotive lighting products are unequaled for quality and value. Due to precision design and exacting quality control standards, TYC replacement lamps meet SAE regulations, and are FMVSS 108 compliant. Each TYC replacement lamp have been manufactured with similar plastics materials as the original equipment and have undergone rigorous testing to ensure that you, the vehicle owner, can use them safely in both day and night. Your vehicle's lamps are an essential part of your vehicle's safety features, and can mean the difference between getting into or avoiding an accident. Make no compromises when it comes to choosing your vehicle's lamps. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome product. This taillight assembly matched perfect. The cost was outstanding. Order from anywhere else it is 3 the price.